What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be getting into this homemade chili recipe. It is finally cold where I'm at and I could not wait to whip out the crock pot for this. So let's get into these ingredients.
Got our hamburger meat, bell pepper and onion, our chili fixins and our chili beans, our Hunt's tomato sauce, and then the Williams is a non-negotiable.
So first we're going to go ahead and we're going to rinse these off and get them all clean so that we can chop them up.
Once you get done, they should look something like this.
Then we're gonna go ahead and we're going to line our pan with our onions and our peppers, and then we're gonna throw our meat in. Then we're gonna come in and we're gonna use some paper towels and we're gonna get this excess grease out of here. Okay, besties, this is where the magic happens. We're gonna take all of our ingredients that I showed you earlier, and then we're gonna take our meat and our peppers and onions. We're just gonna throw them all in here. That's it. We're gonna cover her and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna just smell the delicious aroma and we're gonna get ourselves a nice bowl of chili. Now it's time for us to put our chips in, and the way that I like to have it is I put my chips on first, then I do the chili, and then I do cheese and sour cream. That's how we make our homemade chili in a crock pot.